In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best ionic hair dryers available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the ionic hair dryers mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, SenCiciMen X13 Professional Ionic Hair Dryer. The SenCiciMen X13 ensures salon-quality hair care with its negative ion function that protects the scalp and smooths hair. Featuring magnetic attachments for quick adjustments, it delivers a seamless styling experience. The constant temperature control prevents heat damage, while the infrared heating element ensures efficient and safe drying. Perfect for home and salon use, this professional-grade dryer offers premium features at a budget-friendly price. Number 4, HD009 High-Power Brushless Salon Hair Dryer. The HD009 is designed for professional salons and stylists, boasting a 110,000 RPM brushless motor for powerful airflow. Its negative ionic function enhances hair smoothness, while the infrared heating element provides gentle yet effective heat. The lightweight, unfoldable handle makes it easy to carry and store. Ideal for professionals seeking high-speed drying with advanced technology, this dryer ensures top-tier performance with convenience and durability. Number 3, ANLAN High-Speed Hair Dryer SE. The ANLAN SE is a game-changer in hair care, featuring automatic hot/cold air switching to protect the scalp. With 10 drying modes, it offers versatile styling options for every hair type. The 21 meters per second wind speed enables rapid drying, while its 200 million negative ions ensure silky smooth and frizz-free hair. Whether you need quick drying or precise styling, this dryer provides an effortless hair care experience, making it an excellent choice for home and professional use. Number 2, Bopcal High-Speed Ionic Hair Dryer. The Bopcal hair dryer combines power and versatility with 16 adjustable modes for customizable heat and airflow. With a 110,000 RPM motor, it delivers 5x faster drying while a safety plug and dust screen ensure hair protection. Infused with 200 million negative ions, it leaves hair sleek, shiny, and frizz-free. Ideal for home, travel, and salon-quality results, this high-speed dryer is built for efficiency and precision in every styling session. Number 1, 1800W Professional Brushless Salon Hair Dryer. This 1800W professional hair dryer is engineered for salon and barber professionals, providing high power for fast and efficient drying. It features 3 heating modes for precise styling and negative ion technology to keep hair smooth and frizz-free. Its dual voltage compatibility makes it perfect for global use, ensuring a salon-quality experience anywhere. Built for durability and high performance, it's the ideal choice for professionals and hair enthusiasts alike.